Dude, Kyle's crazy. Kyle, no! No! Was that one better? Oh, pussy, because I'm not going to do it. We're at Slide Rock right now. Kyle's gonna go cliff jumping, maybe. Who knows? Maybe it might be closed off. I never know. But we're about to get this shit. Decent. Yeah. Gotta be ready. I like that splash. Oh, it's so calm. It is. You should hit that last one. Hit that last one. Is it good? Is it good? Don't go in the crowd. Oh shit. Yep, there's a way right here. Yep. Oh no! Ah. You good? Did you get hurt? Oh shit! You good? All right, if that part was hard, this part's me difficult too. Decent.
I'll keep dropping down and be fine because it's easy to just pop up here.
This part right here is dope, dude. Here, let you go first. Oh shit. Ooh. Big ass mosquitoes. Climbing this with the GoPro, my hand's tough. Damn it. Do it, do it, do it. I love how he jumps. Yeah. There you go. Dude, this looks sick right here. Like, imagine being on that like little like part right there and sitting off the edge. Oh, yeah. I wonder if the market's open. Oh yeah, Cal. All right, we're leaving Slide Rock. Kyle got the best of me. We're 1-1 now. He was too scared to do something yesterday. I was too scared to do something today, so
That's the way it goes.
we're even. We'll see what's next.
I did it twice though. He only did his shit once.
I guess.
So I'm one ahead.
Fuck you, bro. Now I gotta. I'm kidding. Oh,
I'm tired.
dude, that's so sick. Mason in a big world all by himself, you know. We gotta do it like how they're doing. We gotta swim through it.
It's so cold.
Oh shit.
My bad. I should have tried to catch it.
Good.